to give it a go. Today is April 20th, and today we're doing 5.4 day 2, and we're just going to cover example 3. Our goal for the day is that we will be able to rewrite trigonometric functions as a single term and simplify with no negatives in the argument. So hopefully you all have your formula sheets with you and you're ready to go. My plan is to do 2 examples and then give you 2 your turns, have you pause it and do the 2 your turns. But we're just taking those formulas we used to find other angles as sum difference formulas, and we're actually kind of going backwards. So the first problem I'm going to do is as follows. Cosine 5x cosine 8x plus sine 5x sine of 8x. So the first thing we need to do is look at our formulas and see what's familiar. Cosine cosine plus sine sine, that is a cosine difference formula. So this is the same thing. Our first step will be to write it as cosine of 5x minus 8x. And now we just do some math and simplify. So 5x minus 8x is negative 3x, and then cosine is odd or even? Right, it's even, which means the negative goes away, so our answer is cosine of 3x. And that is what we are doing. We are going from backwards to find one here. Okay, so next example, we'll do a tangent one. We will do tangent of 78 degrees minus tangent of 18 degrees all over 1 plus tangent of 78 degrees tangent of 18 degrees. And so now what we need to do, this is our tangent one. For tangent, we find out it's a difference. So this just becomes tangent of 78 minus 18, which is tangent of 60 degrees. That is on the unit circle. And tangent of 60 degrees is a square root of 3. And that is what we are doing. I would now like to give you 2 your turns. So here's the first your turn. I'm going to have you pause the video for a second, and then we will continue. Was another tangent difference. So we subtracted, applied the odd even, and went there. Here is the next your turn. Cosine of 7 theta sine of 2 theta minus sine of 7 theta cosine of 2 theta. So take a moment. Beware, this is a little tricky, but give this one a shot. So I'm going to rewrite this because when you're multiplying an operation, order doesn't matter. So I'm going to write it as something I know. Sine of 2 theta cosine of 7 theta minus cosine of 2 theta, sine of 7 theta. Oh, that looks so much more familiar. This is the same as sine of 2 theta minus 7 theta, which is the same as sine of negative 5 theta. Sine odd or even? Sine is odd, just like tangent, so the final answer will be negative sine of 5 theta. That is what we are doing today. I hope this makes sense. If you have questions, feel free to email me or catch me in flex times. Have a good day and enjoy some sunshine.